Gov Capital Collector expects Zcash to grow 2.2% by March 15. First up, here's how things are currently moving on the chart. Zcash has slipped by 1.5% today and is currently hovering around $206.68. Let's roll into today's forecast series. Cryptonization expects the price to move toward $207.57 by tomorrow, which would be a gain of nearly 0.4%. 30 rates puts the target for Zcash at $208, about 0.6% above current value. According to coin price forecast, it may head higher toward $209, about 1.1% above now. Another estimate by Gov Capital Collector suggests Zcash could edge upward to $211.25, a projected increase near 2.2%. Finally, Crypto Predictions targets $211.62 by tomorrow, which is 2.4% higher than now. This forecast has the highest return potential among those considered. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a gain of 0.4% and an increase of 2.4%, depending on the analyst. Our review shows Crypto Predictions giving the most optimistic forecast with 2.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could earn between $4 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility trends into account, Cryptonization's forecast ranks first with a 98.2% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. According to consensus, Zcash is set to trade near $209.49. Here's how it looks in detail. The consensus projection suggests an upward move of 1.4%. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 1.4% along with the same change. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $14 in growth. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 97%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. Cryptonization expects no major shifts in the near term. 30 rates believes the chart points to a decline. The short-term stance from coin price forecast is also optimistic. Also, Gov Capital Collector predicts steady gains ahead. The near-term outlook, meanwhile stressed by Crypto Predictions, is clearly bullish. Overall, the consensus delivers a bullish message showing that Zcash is leaning upward. So overall, most analysts expect Zcash to move in an upward direction. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago for the next day. That day is done, and now we can compare. In the end, the last candle closed at $208.09. Yesterday's results showed that most analysts were right about the move. From the accuracy angle, CoinLore gave the sharpest forecast. Now for the details. 2 forecasts landed within yesterday's daily candle. In terms of ROI, every forecast was positive and Cryptonization led overall. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. Crypto Predictions is shown with $6.74 accuracy, 92.8% forecast probability, and 0% ROI. Have a look and see if you can find the one who came closest. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's income expectations appear across multiple assets. In this ranking, Zcash falls below the leader as Chainlink holds 1.5% expected performance. In this section, Zcash appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets and analyst accuracy data will soon go live on my site and Telegram. We're wrapping up. Subscribe to see how analyst accuracy changes each day. Catch you in tomorrow's forecast batch.